Remove the dirt, grease on the face and the neck with a makeup remover. Clean the face and neck with face wash. Massage face and neck. Apply massage cream evenly to the face and the neck, and caress for 3 times. Push the following acupoints for 3 times. 沉江 REN24, 人中 DU26, 地仓 ST4, 夹车 ST6, 迎香 LI20, 精明 BL1, 喘足 BL2, 鱼腰 EM3, 丝竹空 TE23, The Temple, 铜质料 GB1, 尘气 ST1, 四白 ST2. Caress the whole face. Use both hands to lift the face as if plucking the string. Operate for 20 times. Alternate hands in lifting the face as if plucking the string. Operate for 20 times. Do the same on the other side of the face. Alternate hands in lifting upwards, one line next to another, from chin to earlobe, from the corner of mouth to the ear gate, from the nose ring to the temple, from below the eyelid to hairline. Operate for 3 times. Lift from forehead to hairline. Operate for 3 times. Do the same on the other side of the face. Caress the whole face. Operate it for 3 times. Caress the neck. Operate it for 3 times. Knit Da Ban Jin with both hands. Operate for 3 to 5 times. Clean the face and neck. Apply cotton pads with export liquid on T-zone, then use hot steam. The export liquid can soften keratin, dissolve the fills clogged in the pores. It will be cleaner when using export liquid to cleanse. Wait for 5 minutes and remove the cotton pads. Select the proper hydrofacial tip to operate. Hydrofacial cleansing can deeply clean the pores and also replenish skin with moisture and nutrition. The cleansing effect makes 60% to 70%. There are 8 diamond tips. Select proper diamond tip according to different parts. Adjust the energy level. Set the time at 13 minutes. Adjust the section level to 40%. Then start the operation. Please note, adjust the section level according to your feeling. The technique is, place the tip at the treatment site and twist until it loosens up. Point the treat from one to another. Then move slowly to operate. Double treat congested areas such as blackheads and clogged pores. Treat for 10 minutes. The sequence of the technique is, move from nose to forehead to chin. Clean the face. Apply toner to the whole face. Operate for 1 minute. Shrink pores with cold hammer. Cold hammer can calm skin, ease sensitive skin, shrink pores, and boost the nutrient absorption. Adjust the energy level to 6. Set the time to 10 minutes. Start the operation. Please note, the specific energy level is according to your feeling. The technique is: move the probe slowly back and forth from chin to earlobe, mouth corner to ear gate, nose wing to temple. Operate for 3 to 5 times. Do the same on the other side of the face. Move slowly back and forth from forehead to hairline. Operate for 3 to 5 times. Apply moisturizing mask for 10 minutes. Take off the mask and clean the face. Apply RF cream evenly all over the face. Then to the RF anti-aging operation. RF can stimulate subcutaneous collagen regeneration to prevent skin sagging and delay skin aging. Adjust the energy level to 5. Set the time to 14 minutes. Start the operation. Please note, the specific energy level is according to your feeling. The higher the energy level is, the stronger the warm feeling is. The technique is: stroke from chin to nose wing in circular motions, then to the temple. Stroke from chin to the cheek in circular motions, then to the temple. Stroke from the jawline to the cheek in circular motions, then to the temple. Operate for 3 times. Please be noted, please contact the probe with skin folding when operating. To avoid uneven heat getting your skin scalded. Do not keep the probe at one same part for more than 3 seconds when operating, to avoid getting scalded. Coupled with hand, stroke upwards from chin to earlobe, mouth corner to ear gate, nose wing to the temple, in parallel lines. Operate for 3 times. Do the same on the other side. Coupled with hand, lift towards hairline and forehead. Operate for 3 to 5 times. Clean the face. Fill in the hydro spray bottle with clean water. Aquafacial with hydro spray jet. Hydro spray jet injects oxygen and water into the skin and the dermis layer through high pressure. It can also be used as a second cleanser. Adjust the energy level. Set the time to 10 minutes. Adjust the mist spray level to the middle. Start the operation. Please note, twist the end part of the spraying gun to adjust the mist spray level. Twist it too tight to decrease the mist spray. Twist it too loose to increase the mist spray. Adjust the mist spray level according to your feeling. The technique is: moving circular motions from chin to earlobe, mouth corner to ear gate, nose wing to the temple, in parallel lines. Operate for 2 times. Do the same on the other side. Moving circular motions towards hairline from forehead, move the probe at the nose slowly, from up to down. Operate for 2 times. Move at the philtrum from left to right slowly. Operate for 3 to 5 times. Please note, inform the customer to adjust breathing when operating around the nose and the philtrum. Apply essence on the whole face. This is for anti-aging. BIO.Micro facelift. Microcurrent can help lift the skin, such as around cheeks and corners of the eyes, and improve sagging and loose skin. Adjust the energy level to 4. Set the time to 10 minutes. Start the operation. Please note, adjust the energy level according to your feeling. The higher the energy level is, the stronger the numbing feel is. Lift from the jawline to the cheek. Operate for 3 times. Lift from chin to earlobe, mouth corner to ear gate, nose wing to the temple in parallel lines. Operate for 3 times. Combine the last 2 techniques to lift the facial skin. Operate for 2 to 3 times. Do the same on the other side. Move slowly from the beginning of the eyebrow to the end of the eyebrow in parallel lines. Operate for 3 times. Stroke towards hairline and forehead. Operate for 3 times. Apply hyaluronic acid on the whole face with brush. The ultrasound nutrient input. Ultrasound helps lead in nutrition into deep skin for quick nutrients absorption and brightening. Adjust the energy level to 4. Set the time to 15 minutes. Start the operation. Please note, the specific energy level is according to your feeling. The higher the energy level is, the stronger the warm feeling is. Moving horizontally circular motions from chin to earlobe, mouth corner to ear gate, nose wing to temple. Operate for 3 times. Do the same on the other side. Moving small circular motions towards hairline from forehead. Operate for 3 to 5 times. Apply sheet mask and LED photon mask for 15 minutes. The mixed color LED is to break down spots, improve fine lines and sagging skin, relax the skin, balance the secretion and control the grease. The LED photon mask has 7 different colors. Different color of LEDs have different effects. Select proper LED according to your current skin condition. Adjust the energy level to 9. Set the time to 15 minutes. Choose the mixed LED twinkling mode. Start the operation. Please note, select proper LED mode according to your skin condition. Take off the LED photon mask and remove facial mask. Clean the face. Apply toner, essence, latex, eye cream, facial cream, and sunscreen.